Ever wondered if you could just tap your iPhone to pay your friend with an Android phone, like some sort of cross-platform magic? Let's get straight to the point. The short answer is no. You cannot directly pay an Android user with Apple Pay. Apple Pay is designed to work exclusively within the Apple ecosystem. It relies on specific hardware and software integrations that are only available on iPhones, Apple Watches, iPads, and Macs. This includes the secure element chip and the NFC technology, which are closely tied to Apple's operating system. Android devices use a different operating system and have their own suite of payment options, the most popular being Google Pay. These two payment systems don't talk to each other directly. Think of it like trying to use a charger from one brand of phone on a completely different brand. It just doesn't fit. However, there are alternatives. You can use third-party payment apps like PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, or even bank transfers to send money to your Android-using friends. These apps act as intermediaries, allowing you to send money regardless of the type of phone you or your friend are using. Just download the app, link your bank account or card, and you're good to go. So, while Apple Pay itself won't work directly with Android, plenty of other options are available to bridge the gap and make sure your friend gets paid.